Stickasaurus here, and today we're going to start on things that have been sitting here forever. This is Jetman Red. I printed red and white like a year ago, and they're just sitting here. And I like to get them going, I like to finish this team. I'll have to print yellow still. This is actually the first Jetman I printed that the beak didn't fall off while I was printing it, so I'm pretty excited. We should be able to do something great with this. A little bit of banding here, not a huge deal. It's not really in a very troublesome area. As long as we kept the wing details on the side, I think we'll be fine. Let's get to it. Well, I think the back's all right. Front, we still got all these deep layer shifts here. We'll have to go around with some hand putty and put that on and probably hand sand that to get that smooth. It might take 1 or 2 coats, honestly. They're pretty deep, so that's the plan. We'll let this dry and that'll be the next step. No idea what I'm doing with masking this. We're just gonna get yellow on it next, see how it looks, take all the masking off, then we'll mask where we're gonna do the red, I think. I think that's the plan. Okay, so we got all the masking off. I screwed up here, that's on me. This is just a little wet sand, will take care of that. But we're going to paint the eyes, clean this up, just going to use some acrylic, should be fine. And then we'll get to the detail lines. It should crisp up anything that looks a little wonky. Other than that, I think these are really nice lines. Super nice, so getting there. We're gonna get the clear coat on here. A couple little things I'm not super happy about, but it's to the point where every time I try to fix it, I feel like I'm making it worse. So we're just gonna roll with it. I think it's gonna look good with the clear on it. So let's get going. Yeah, I think the clear looks rather good on this. We're gonna get the elastic magnets and visor in, and then we'll get to the spin around. Okay, so the back doesn't fit. Tried my best to heat form it into place. Just not gonna work. So we're gonna reprint the back. Try again. Disappointed in this helmet. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. And then, like I said, we went to put it together and oh no, disaster. What happened? I don't know. I hate how bad this back doesn't line up. It's so bad. It's even more obvious with the weird cut. Like I said, I tried for probably like an hour heating this thing and trying to
warp it into place somehow. And I got nowhere. I figured we just might as well finish it. I printed a new one, a new back, and it still didn't fit. So it has to be something wrong with the front. We'll have to get back around and replace this. We have one more Jetman helmet left to do, Yellow Owl, which I kind of started on, so hopefully we can get that done. And then maybe I'll print another Jet Red and replace this. I don't know if we'll do a video or not. Like I said, I got so far. It's like, and it still doesn't look bad. I'm very happy with the front, all things considered. 6 foot away on a shelf, it looks perfectly fine. On, it also looks pretty good. So I'm not like disappointed on it. I think putting it on the shelf with the rest of the Jetman, so perfectly acceptable. It just bums me out. Sometimes, you just gotta take what you got. But we will replace it, I promise. And you'll see pictures of it, I'm sure. Or you'll watch me do it on stream, as always. But, yeah, kind of a bummer. And I don't think it's the file. I just truly don't know what happened. I might look and see if I can find a different file to print for the next one, but I'm not sure. As always, thanks for watching. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplays and Props, Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex. We're live every Saturday, Sunday, in the morning and the afternoon, twice a day. So make sure you come, hang out, check it out, make some friends, send some deck daddies, and see what's up. Down in the description, find a link to the link tree. If you want to come join the Discord, it's in there, as well as the merch store. Want some cool t-shirts. Patreon, we got $1 tier, less than a cup of coffee a year, pretty much, for $1. Exclusive videos, early access videos, not always, but more often than not, I try to. And you can vote on the community builds, the helmet refresh polls, all kinds of stuff, so make sure you check that out. As always, I'm Stickasaurus, and I'll see you next time.